Today's October 21st, 2020, here at Glen Echo, and we're going to do a short tour of the house before the power comes on, light fixtures go up, and so we can see it before all that happens. So the front porch is going to have a porch light in the middle, and on each end will be ceiling fans. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Have outside plug-ins. This is the living room in the main house, or the two-story part, and it'll have a light fixture there in the ceiling. We're not adding anything else, so that way we keep it, we preserve the history. We will paint this room. They're going to be working on the floors in the near future. They're working on the windows right now, repairing what can be repaired. If it can't be, we will be replacing them. The floors will be refinished soon. Breathe some new life into this old wood. Now we're going to move into the bedroom. This first bedroom here in the two-story part, this is the most historic room of the house. This is where we believe it was started. There will not be any overhead fixtures in this room. We're going to have lamps that will plug in to the one wall here. This is to keep it as historically accurate as possible while we can still have lights. But we're probably going to put some new paint in this room as well. On the doors in this room, the hinges are hand wrought iron from the 1700s. We got the closet underneath the stairs cleaned out, so that way the floor people can do their magic in the little closet here under the stairs. These floors need a little more love than the rest of it, I think. We're going to patch the hole or the missing boards in the wall. We're going to continue with either the V-groove or the flush board. Making sure those pegs remain. Some of them have been filed off in the past, but the ones that are still protruding through are going to stay. And of course our little coat rack here, that's going to stay as well. Now we're going to go upstairs. This room in the upstairs part was never painted, and we're really going to try to leave it as the natural wood color or whatever varnish is on the wood, not really sure, but we're going to try not to paint this room. And of course, we're going to breathe some new life into the wood floors up here as well. Working on fixing these windows. This room will have one overhead fixture. Moving into the next room, in the upstairs part, this room will have a new coat of paint. The windows will be fixed. floors. We'll have an overhead light fixture. Instead of a doorknob, this door has a, looks like a spool that held thread or something as the doorknob. But it doesn't even latch. And I think we're just gonna keep that. These are the original shutters that were on the house with the original Haint Blue color. And they are actually interior shutters. I'm surprised they've lasted so long on the exterior of the house. And the shutters that will be replacing them will look very similar. I like the imperfections. I think they're kind of neat. People are going to fix those stairs to where they are secure and keep that beautiful look they have. Now we're going to move to the extension part, where we have our Haint Blue ceiling on the porch that will have alternating ceiling fans and porch lights. It's going to be so nice to sit on the porch in the summer with a breeze from the fans. Now we're moving into the first bedroom of the extension, where we have our new wall, and we're going to, where there's plyboard on the floor, they're going to remove that and run hardwood planks. So that way this entire room will have a hardwood floor. This old vinyl will come up off the floor, and the chimney, the fireplace will be repaired. Again, they won't be functional, but they will look pretty. We have new windows in this room. We will get some paint so everything blends better. This is our new tongue and groove walls. This is the second bedroom in the extension, where the tongue and groove wall and ceilings are finished. So it will get a new coat of paint. The original windows are intact enough to stay. We have two new windows in this one wall, and then we have an original window in the opposite wall next to the door. This room has a little bit of new and a little bit of old in it at the same time. And they repaired the fireplace. It is almost done. We got to fill in around the bricks. We put the original hearth back. There's going to be light fixtures and electrical outlets in this room. Insulation is going in today in the bathroom and the powder room. Those two rooms are new construction, so they can have insulation, where the actual house itself, that is just preservation, is not suitable for insulation. And this is the kitchen, where we'll have all our cabinetry and your typical kitchen things will go in here. And I can't wait for that to happen and to show everybody. It's our utility room, where the hot water heater will go. We've got new tongue and groove walls in this room, as well as the original walls and ceiling. It'll all be painted one color, so it all blends. Of our light fixtures and all of our plug-ins that we need for our kitchen. Beneath these new windows is where the farmhouse sink and counters and dishwasher will go. Next to that, on the wall to its left, is where we'll have our oven, more cabinetry, stove. We're able to replace the original door to this room. That door used to hang between the kitchen and this room, this bedroom next to it. But it will not fit anymore now that we have leveled the house and repaired walls. It doesn't fit anymore, so we're just gonna go without a door. The kitchen will have hardwood floors, and the utility rooms and the bathroom will have tile floors. And then in this other room, this other utility room is where the refrigerator and the ice maker will go. And it has some new tongue and groove walls as well as the original wall. We'll have a new window in this room. The refrigerator will go on this wall, and the ice maker will go on this wall. We will have a door for the entrance to this room. We've got our powder room here that is the lead-in to the bathroom, where we're putting up insulation today. We'll have tile floors and flush wood plank walls in these rooms. Thank you everybody for watching this video and taking this tour with me. I can't wait to share another one with you.